Welcome back, guys, to another episode. In this episode, I'm gonna tell you the 5 biggest common mistakes when you start to surf and how to avoid it. Hit the intro. So, welcome back, so stoked to see you here again. If you're new to the channel, I'm Daniel, ISA2 Surf Coach. I coach more than 10 years and I'm the co-founder of the Surf Companions because we provide you with the surf knowledge, with the surf books, but also with the online courses. Let's jump right into it. 5 most common mistakes, like what a surfer who's just trying to start to surf do. I actually did a bunch of the mistakes as well, so I have nice examples for you. Topic number 1, the first most common mistake is when you want to start to surf, most common mistake is that the people, they just travel to some beaches or like surf areas and they just rent a board instead of doing a real course. I definitely recommend, not even because I'm a surf coach, no, I would recommend you to do a course, like go to a good surf instructor and do not only one day, because surfing is a difficult sport, do a whole week of surf coaching. It helped me a lot because the very first time I tried to surf, I almost died. Yes, it's true, because I was in New Zealand, it was way too big, I didn't know anything. And yeah, luckily everything went alright, but I don't want you to have that experience. That's why common mistake number 1, avoid it with do a surf coaching week or a surf coach. Most common mistake for a beginning surfer number 2 is the safeties. Yes, the ocean, the waves, the power can be dangerous, there are currents involved and so on. Here's nature, here are we, but a lot of people don't know the safeties because they don't do a surf class or they don't get surf knowledge beforehand and they don't know about the safety about their bodies as well. So for example, if there might be a collision, how do you know how to protect your head, for example, or how to avoid a collision, like where to paddle out, where to surf, etc. This is the second biggest common mistake. Please get to know the safeties. Of course, we provide you with the surf knowledge in our surf books. I made a head protection YouTube video, it's probably up here or here, so watch this to exactly know how a proper head protection works. So the third most common mistakes some learning surfers do is the wrong equipment. Yes, a lot of surfers who just starting out or want to learn to surf, they choose the wrong equipment. So please learn to surf on a soft top. Soft top means like it's soft, it's secure. Even if you get hit a little bit, you don't have to worry about. And with a hard top, on the other hand, it's really hard collision. It makes a lot of aua, we say in German. So please stay on the right equipment, not only the material, but also the length. The length should be at least 7 to 8 feet. We call it, oh, I spit it on the camera. Whoopsie. So the length is important, at least get a 7 to 8 feet. We also call it a mini Mali because most of the people in Malibu surf this kind of length because of the wave, but nevertheless, choose the right equipment. Go for soft top and long and big enough. The fourth most common mistakes a lot of learning surfers or people who want to learn to surf is fitness. Yes, a lot of people underestimate what kind of fitness you need for surfing. So please have at least I would say a proper foundation of fitness level. Fitness level means you don't have to swim 3 kilometers a day to be as fit for surfing, but at least do some basic sports. Basic sports means like you have some stamina and condition. You should at least can do like 5 to 10 push-ups, something like that. But more in depth, I go to another video, but please don't underestimate like walking through the sand, even carrying your big board. You should have at least a bit of a fitness because you won't have fun in your surf holidays on your surf trip if you're out there, beautiful sunlight, you want to go surf, and the thing which you have control over, like your body is not fit enough for surfing. Don't do the fourth mistake. Be fit, be ready, be sportive. One of the most biggest mistakes a lot of surfers do, once they had like maybe a week or a few days of surf coaching, they stop. So the most common mistake is they stop learning, they stop practicing. They think, oh yeah, I can do takeoff, I did it once in Costa Rica. They stop. No, like the fun part is just beginning. So if you can do a takeoff in the white water, like in the front, and you might have your first takeoff in the green wave, this is where surfing is just starting. It's the same in whatever it is, volleyball, football, golf. Whatever you teach and whatever you learn, this is just the beginning, and it's just getting better and more beautiful. There's so many topics you have to learn. So my last tip to you, please don't stop learning. To tell it more in a positive way, keep learning. Like, it doesn't matter if you watch tutorials like this, or you get the proper surf knowledge from our books or courses, or you get more coaching. Even I get myself, of course, on a different level. I get myself still coached from coaches, like with video analysis, whatever, but keep learning. If you like this video, I can't wait to see you in the next one. Give me a thumbs up and hit the comments below if it helped you or what kind of topic I should discuss. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Daniel from the Surf Companions.